Ich bin hand in Monsey. Als wir in Monsey müssen wir ranstappen in Leil Shishi, the famous Leil Shishi. Hey Jois, wo suchst du Zadig?
Die LED-lights, Strip-lights.
Dit LED-lights mit Strip-lights. Het reingehabt der Advertisement. Anyway, als wir do bei Leil Shishi, müssen wir ranchecken durchgeht, das hat immer gemacht the floor Sruly. He made a brand new floor. Lass mal ranchecken, Taka. The floor is done. A neue floor. Wie ist Sruly? Wie ist man Sruly? Sruly allein! Schon mal Leichem Sruly. Deze gaat erover doen.
Why are you here on a regular weekday?
Ik ben een Monsey, ik kom maar aan een Monsey als zag.
Okay.
En een van mijn Monsey zei, I have to pop in de Leil Shishi, de Sruly. Zijn de nieuwe floor.
Always welcome.
Okay, kom wusste de nieuwe floor. Je meet zo'n trasker met wusste de nieuwe floor.
So given an accident, I daran in the building so the whole floor was flooded.
Wusste hij, en gewollt al stark, dat show die came flying with his car.
Laat me redden voor Simchis. That is a fact. And the floor is kalt geworden. We gedacht machen a new floor, so it takes time till the process, till everything. So Baruch Hashem we do a new floor in Schoen.
Wow, it's a beautiful, beautiful floor. The baby was seine gelassen draußen in Monsey.
Hat nicht zu tun mit der Location.
Hat nicht zu tun mit der Car Crash?
Nein.
Das ist eine andere Maß. Nein, was geht das? Lass Shishi, geht Shishi, lass schon, das ist der... Nein?
Sie wein, falls am Wachtnacht hätten wir machen etwas.
Fine, Sruly. Wusstest du so früh? It's early in the morning. You only open at 5 o'clock.
Hattest du aber mit zwei, so mehr Hashem darf man losschicken aber mit zwei in Schoen?
No way. Das heißt, einer stellst sich voll bei Mitzvahs? Das habe ich nicht gewusst. I know you do catering, Wachnacht, aber Mitzvahs. Chassen so so?
Chassen, Sheveruches, Neuem, wood, you name it. If it's anything with food, die erledigen, Tien machen, bringen, it's us.
It's us, it's Leil Shishi. Wow. Wenn etwas Tag auf der Team do, wie viel Seiger?
The store is often jeden Tag, huh? It's like from 5 p.m. till 2 a.m.
Wow. For the only was weiß, it used to be only open Leil Shishi.
Used to be only open Thursdays. Now it's schon a year Zeit, but the store is often jeden Tag.
Jeden Tag.
But it's not a typical takeout of a regular store. I don't have any fresh food, any chicken bottoms or like schnitzel ready. Everything is made to order. If somebody wants chicken fingers. We machen auf dem Platz Sandwiches auf dem Platz.
The hostage can window do, we liegt dort for 3 take straight chicken bottoms. You don't have that.
No.
We come around with a schnitzel on the spot that gets fried.
Schnitzel is on the spot, sandwiches is on the spot. Everything is made fresh, a large variety of food. There's a whole new menu coming, an add-on to my existing menus coming in the next week or so. Mir Hashem.
So nice. I like that.
So from 5 till 10 is more, let's call it family time.
Family time.
Yeah.
So I'm spoken for a geheirige supper. A couple wants to go for a supper.
Sure.
You have a beautiful seating area. It's not always going to be a restaurant.
No, you have seating. Everything is made fresh.
We do a promotion, a high Perlowitz promotion for the family time. Well, how about it's family time. The only was kid with mishbucha. Or even if you come yourself, and you know, that's you come with the family. Between 5 and 9 p.m. 5 p.m. to 9 p.m., which is family time. The only came to us for supper. Let's give the family something on the house. Let's come again.
The gast me off guard on, but okay. So you want to give them anything, whatever. Fries.
A family fries on the house.
On the house.
Chavity, you heard that? Come in with the mishbucha between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. for delicious fries on the house. Jetzt kommen nicht mit dem Mishbucha stam du essen French fries. Wenn man ordert, scheint es ab, gibt noch fries on the house. So genick noch seating do. For the ganze Mishbuchas do. Wie groß die Mishbucha is, you can add tables over here. Sruly's always here to help you. That's a great, great deal. So, besides for that, family time, bist off von 10 bis 2 for anybody who wants.
Yeah, people come back from Simchis. People, I mentioned was people came back from a Sheveruches last week. I saw them with the packages and everything. Like, why come to eat? Much you can't essen dort. For whatever reason, much you can't essen. So they come.
I guess you didn't cater that Sheveruches.
People that go to travel to Montreal, to Tosh, whatever. On the way, they want to have munchies for the way, chicken fingers, deli roll, franks, you know, and so on and on. They come. Chagat necht nach 2 simchis that they ran short of food. Not my catered simchis, but they ran short of food, we send them made fresh fingers
nice.
and
On the
stuff.
spot. So it's a corporate event is making a lunch and he wants a flash lunch. You can make it on the spot. He sends you a WhatsApp in the morning.
They send me WhatsApp in the morning. They send me WhatsApp lunch whenever they want, and it's just like,
Wow. Let me know if number taka. So I want somebody to message you privately. But like, this service, Sruly Schmeichel. Go for it.
845-579-2424.
Chevre, we're gonna put the number on the screen. We're gonna put the link at the end of the clip. Chevre, message Sruly. You got a corporate lunch delivered to your office, delivered to your event. And from lunches, bis chasanis.
So in
anything.
Stimen, so the real reason of the store was, and it's machen simchis. We got to the store, I'm looking at tasting the
I love that.
So in Stimen simchis, but Stimen wacht nach das Wort, you know.
Kim du tasting the machulu was got to the simcha.
So in so much sak mention was Kim, and it's gamen who Shabbat, but I want to get the feeling of the food. So it's not really the same food, but do chulen kegel with sandwiches and chicken fingers, and by a simcha English really does. But they get the vibe, they get the taste of the feeling, the taste of the food, the feeling of the food, so they feel what they're getting. Plus the service, Baruch Hashem, I'm proud of giving them exceptional service.
The service and the vibe, the signs of event, it's an echte vibe. It's a real vibe that the Oilam has to experience. If you're in Monsey, you're swinging by Monsey, you're going upstate, Leil Shishi is the place you want to stop in over here.
Yeah.
Push the makabels on the Schmeichel von Sruly, the Schmeichel was Makip Schnegitz. Sruly, the Oilam's going to make sure to check in between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. Sruly, guys, sak French fries, koif on potatoes. Sruly, alles make my time do. Your own home fries. Chevre, Kim Arandu, tell Sruly you saw it in the Perlowitz show, and step on the floor when the kids start machas on the floor get. And when you come with your car, don't drive into the store.
Yeah, please.
Show your Costa floor, please. And we know the food is good, but there's no need to drive into the store. You can park outside. So get nicht noch parken, do in draußen. Chevre, hat's mal Lechting, as